Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. If you are an old subscriber, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video.
How to make more than 5,000 Naira daily in Nigeria. Today I'm going to introduce you to a website that can earn you 150,000 Naira in a month. This website introduced themselves as a freelance marketplace. While this can be true to some extent, they are not a freelance marketplace. A typical freelance marketplace like Upwork will allow you to specify your skills and find relevant employers in need of your expertise. This website business model is kind of different. Instead of offering your skills up for hire, you actually have to complete little tasks. Tasks on this website. What kinds of tasks can you be required to complete on this website, and how do the website gigs compare to that of the other freelance marketplaces available? Here are the examples of gigs available on this website. Sign up to websites using the link below this video description. Following social media handles. Watching online videos. Sharing affiliate links. Liking and retweeting social media posts. Comment and review. Reading articles. There are two ways to make money on this website and is also a great way for employers to hire. 1. By performing tasks on this website. You register, complete the tasks, and get the promised reward. Prices are attached to each task, and you can cash out your total earnings when you accumulate 2,000 Naira. 2. Referrals. And now to the common factor of income programs. Referrals are another way to make some money on the platform. The great thing about referrals is that your referral earnings depend on the activity of your referees. To be precise, you get 5% cashback on every deposit a referred outsourcer makes and the same percentage on every task a freelancer completes. How to register for this website. The steps are easy, and you could be on your way to making your first online income in less than a week. Apply using the following steps. Access their registration page by following the registration link on the description of this video. Fill the provided form as illustrated. Click Sign up to register and open your email provider to view the 4-digit activation code. Input the activation code on the activation page to complete your registration.
Now guys, another great thing about this website is that if you want to get maybe more followers, more subscribers to your YouTube channel, or you want people to visit your blog, an article you wrote online, you can make use of it. So they don't just hire people to do this work, you can also hire to do this work, because it's people like you that actually like putting those jobs there for people to do. So you can hire them to go to your TikTok, watch your video, watch your YouTube video, subscribe to your YouTube channel, like, read articles online. Every digital work, if you ask me, is available there, and then they will tell you the price limit you need to pay the workers and everything. And when they are done, you are given enough time to actually check if they do the tax properly and then approve. So if you don't approve, the website won't like go further and approve it and move your money or something. Wow guys, 80,000 views. Thank you guys. Like this is, I appreciate, Lily. I appreciate. Thank you, and continue viewing my video, and God bless you. Thank you.